Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Zero X Pro, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option theme and lock screen. Let's tap on it. Here we have to tap on My Wallpaper, so the second option, and here we've got pre-installed options from which we can choose. So here we've got pre-installed wallpapers, and at the top we've got the albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from some additional options. So we've got live wallpapers, and here we've got the animations, which we can set as a wallpaper, for example this one, and here we've got our own gallery. So in order to check the preview of the wallpaper, you have to simply tap on it. So I'll choose this one. As you can see, it will appear on the full screen. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.